Good morning, friends. Due to COVID-19, the schools and colleges were closed, due to which the education of the students becoming worsening day by day in rural Karnataka, for which the VVSM Academy is planning to solve the problems of rural Karnataka, particularly to my village Gopanahalli, Challakere, Taluk, Chitradurga district. All the students of rural Karnataka who were studying in SSLC, 10th standard, PUC and degree classes may kindly be referred to my video channel and Facebook channel. My email address veerabhadrayademaya@gmail.com. Veerabhadraya Demaya, Vision Village Schoolmaster, is inviting with zeal and a mission with a vision. Please come forward wholeheartedly and participate in my VVSM programs to achieve your desired goals and ambitions. Further, please like, share and subscribe to my VVSM Academy YouTube channel. How to use aloe vera for a glowing face and clear skin. This comes under botanical science, that is plant hormones. My dear friends, the branches of science like physics, chemistry, biology, earth sciences, space sciences, etc. And the biology is also one among them, the branch of science. This biology is further divided into the botany and zoology. You know that. So regarding the botany, what is botany? It's all about the plant kingdom, study of plant kingdom. My dear friends, let us discuss slowly. What is plant hormone? Plant hormones are also termed as a photochromes. Photohormones named by thymine, growth factors, growth regulators, growth substances. Phytohormone is an organic matter and define transpiration, significance, loss of water in the form of vapor from living tissues of various parts of the plant, and plant physiology and water relations. Functional study of live processes is termed as physiology. Plant physiology deals with water relations such as diffusion, osmosis, etc. Secondary growth, meristem is responsible for development of primary plant body, and primary growth increases length of the plant as well as the lateral appendages. However, it can continue. Anatomical structure of monocot root, transverse section of monocot root shows the following anatomical features. And epidermis, epiblemma, rhizodermis, it is an outermost layer composed of the compact parenchyma cells. In higher plants, the sexual reproduction completes in 2 steps: sporogenesis, gametogenesis. In angiosperm flowers are the designated structures of sexual reproduction, and etc. So these are the comes under the degree classes for your kind information, my dear friends. Let us move on to the plant kingdom. The plant kingdom is mainly divided into cryptograms and phanerograms. The phanerograms is further divided into algae and fungi. Then coming to the phanerogams, you can write this is the seedless and seedful plants regarding the cycas, and these seedful plants are further divided into monocotyledons and dicotyledons. Well, friends, I would like to divert your attention towards the important thing here. Now, the plant, seedling of the plant, how it germinates, what are the important functions and what are the stages that we come across about the germination of any dicotyledon plant or a monocotyledon plant. For example, here the plant, from the flower you will get the seed. From that seed is further grows like this, and its seed fruit. The seed fruit gives the seed, and that seed will germinating the seed. Germination is nothing but sprouting of the seed components inside, and the seedling and further it is mature sporophyte, and that means a plant. That plant, root system, shoot system are there, and further the flowering and non-flowering, that is a different issue. Now coming to the flowering, in the flower you can come across the stamen, the male part of the flower, and stigma, ovary is the female part of the flower. You know that the flower is concerned male part and the female part, and reproduction will takes place because of the pollen which falls on the stigma, and reproduction takes place, and further it forms a seed. That is reproduction. It is a cycle actually, my dear friends. It's a beautiful animal kingdom. Systems are there. Now you can come across the plant body consists of the shoot system and the root system. You know, my dear friends, every plant will have their own root system and a shoot system. You know, the root system is nothing but the roots are responsible for the anchoring of the plant or a tree or any small or a big or whatever it may be. It helps in anchoring in the earth or the soil. The shoot system is concerned, you see, above the earth, whatever the plant is there, that is a shoot system, where photosynthesis, reproduction, storage, transport, and hormones, all these things are occurs in the shoot system. Photosynthesis due to sunlight, photosynthesis occurs. Then because of the chlorophyll, and reproduction occurs due to flowers, and the storage is concerned in the leaf as well as in the stem, and the transport is concerned from the root. It will take through the xylem and phloem, take the water and food materials to the plant, to the shoot system. And coming to the root system is concerned, below the earth, whatever it may be, the plant body is called the what is that, root system. You know, in this root system you will find the mother root, lateral root, then root cap, tap root, and all. These are the branches of the roots are concerned. The root system functions anchorage of the plant, as I told you, then absorption and storage, transport, and hormones. All these will be regulated. So for your kind information, my dear friends, the plant body consists of the shoot system and the root system, where the plant takes the sunlight from the atmosphere, and it gives oxygen, and and it absorbs carbon dioxide from the atmosphere. That is respiration of the plant is concerned. Well, friends, comparison of a monocot and a dicot sprout. Here the structure or the function of the seeds. Cotyledons are responsible, the embryonic leaf in the seed bearing plants, and here peanut seed splits in a half, showing the embryos with the cotyledons. This is, as I told you, the Monocotyledon and the Dicotyledon. The Monocotyledon plants, Dicotyledon plants. Monocotyledon seed leads to Monocotyledon plant. Dicotyledon plants seeds leads to Dicotyledon plants. So here the sprouting here, this is a Monocotyledon plant. This is sprouting of a Monocotyledon plant. Mono means one. Dicotyledon, there are two leaves here, so it is a Dicotyledon plant. So therefore, my dear friends, the visible part of the monocot plant left is actually the first true leaf produced from the meristem. This is a very important phenomenon. You see the origin of the Monocotyledon plant. That is how it grows. It sprouts slowly. Now, another important, the Dicotyledon itself remains with the seed. These things you can do in your house itself, my dear friends. Arpiram, then other things are sprouting. Now coming to the Mimosa pudica, seedling with the two cotyledons and first true leaf with 6 leaflets. This is, you can find the another. This is the speciality of the animal kingdom, my dear friends. Now, botany, the Monocotyledon and Dicotyledon seeds are there. As we have discussed here, the monocots have a single cotyledons in their embryos. The example, rice, maize, and corn. Monocots have pollens with a single furrower. pore. Monocots have a single cotyledons in the embryos. Monocots have flower pods in the multiples of 3. Now coming to the dicotyledons, as I told you, dicots have 4 pollens with the 3 furrows or pores. Based on your examination, can you find the young leaves inside the seed? You can see young leaves. So you can see all these things by observation. Describe the 2 seeds and what are the differences. What are the differences between monocotyledon seed and dicotyledon seed, my dear friends? The embryo is the young multicellular organism formed before it emerges from the seed. A seed is an embryonic plant which stores food and is enclosed in a protective outer covering which give rise to a new plant. Well, friends, coming to the last part of our class today is the difference between the monocotyledon seed and the monocotyledon dicotyledon seed. The distinguish between monocotyledon and dicotyledon. My dear friends, first one is true leaves, the parts. This is the monocot seed, this is the dicot seed. So compare and contrast between those two. The first true leaves, all are there in the first, this monocot or dicot, whatever it may be, but you will have in both the things you can find out the first true leaves. Second one is a seed coat, and the third one is endosperm and single cotyledon, embryonic root, and the 2 cotyledon. So these are the important parts of the monocot as well as the dicot seed. Then what is the difference? Let us view. The monocot embryos have a single cotyledon. So this is only one cotyledon. Mono means one, my dear friends. Here dicot means 2. There are pair of cotyledons here. Then you can say the fibrous root system. They are having monocotyledon seed is a fibrous root system. Have you seen the paddy roots and all, ragi roots, paddy roots? They you can observe. And coming to the have a tap root system in the dicotyledon plant. And here is the parallel venation, but here reticulate and net venation. The monocot flowers and the count the parts of the flower is multiple of the 3 are equal to 3, but here they are multiple of 4 and their 5 are equal to 4 or 5, etc. The root stems of monocotyledons does not possess a cambium and cannot increase the diameter. Therefore, my dear friends, you remember the word cambium. This cambium is responsible. The plant can be decided by the cambium, which is a dicot or a monocot. Cambium is absent in monocot, but cambium is present in the dicotyledon plant, my dear friends. This is the main difference between monocotyledon and dicotyledon seeds as well as monocotyledon dicotyledon plants. So these are the summary of the monocotyledon dicotyledon plants. The students may refer to the summary. Then all these things you come across. There are so many questions in your examination. Thank you for listening. This is VVSM Academy, a School of Arts and Science. Yes, my dear friends, in forthcoming classes, we will meet the botany classes in forthcoming classes. And because of the corona, the COVID-19, use masks, use sanitizers or soap, and do not mingle with the rush things.